2023 Panini. I don't know why it was hard for me to say Panini. Elite WWE 3-box PYP number 1. We got a fresh case here. I will be shuffling the boxes around before putting them back in. We got 3 boxes on this break. 3 boxes. Oh boy. I forgot these ones got a silly shape to them. Alright. We're gonna kind of be a little bit less visually pleasing on the overhead cam with this one. Okay. Such silly shaped boxes. And haha, the middle one. Again, this is a 3-box break. I don't recall these having tape on them. Let's see if I am wrong. Oh wait, I need to cut these carefully so they could join the mantle. I think I'm gonna save 2 of them just so I have the option. And then this one, let's get the, the good old. What's the algorithm on that one, dude? I just kind of, anytime I shuffle, I turn my brain off and just move them around. I'll hum a song in my head or something. Bluegarithm? Don't like that. I'm gonna take the cards out of this one first, so remember to throw it. Gosh, these boxes are so goofy. And then we'll do these 2 a little bit more carefully so that I can turn them into displays. To join our wall. Put it over here so I can remember to do it later tonight. Actually, pretty heavily, Chris Reed. Pretty heavily. I already have like 3 friends that I talked their ears off about me wanting to go. And at the absolute core of it, I said no matter what, it's just going to be fun and it's in our backyard. And if we don't go, I swear I will kill all of you guys. And yeah, so I want to go. I really, really want to go. Let's see, are these all going to open backwards like that? Oh, that pack was just backwards. These ones open a little different. Wow, this one's got to open like a Pokemon pack. And these cards are upside down. All right. I'm going to be a little bit slower with the opening process on these. It's not as consistent as I'm used to. And I want to make sure I take care of you guys' cards. Already put the deposit down on the tickets. Yeah, I got to take care of Anime Expo first, which is next weekend. But right after that, I think I've got 1 concert, and then I can just kind of get ready for WrestleMania. It just sounds like a lot of fun. Even if I have to get like nosebleeds, it just sounds like a good time. Now, I've seen a lot of the other breakers open Elite, and I'm fully seeing and understanding now why the direction of the cards is sometimes all over the place. Seeing some of the cards face up, face down, upside down, backwards. Gives priority to buying the tickets. I should get a local priority. Oh, I like the, I know it's an insert. The Elite deck. This looks cool. I'm a sucker for playing cards. Being from Vegas and all. I imagine they want to fill that stadium up with as many travelers and tourists as possible, just by the nature of it's Vegas, baby. Okay, I thought I've seen some of this before. I don't think I have. I'm pretty sure this is my first time ever opening this. Oh, wow. I was curious about that card. I'm happy I got to see it in person. It's the family lineage with The Rock and Araka Johnson, or the Boulder. It was truly a card I wanted to see, and it's just right there. Some of these I gotta open with Pokemon cards. Yeah, I remember seeing it in the store. We had the 6-boxers. It just never got broken with me. I think it's before I started doing breaks with you guys. When I was in here early on, I was always shadowing Brown, and I think that this stuff was always just breaking on days where I either wasn't on, or I just didn't take notice or whatever. Nonetheless, I'm seeing the way some of these cards look, and I think it's phenomenal. I'm very excited to go through these with you guys. I'm also figuring out the way these packs open, so appreciate you guys' patience as I unbox this. Bray. Oh, wow. The family lineage cards are just neat. I think they're really cool. Speaking of Brown, it's another month before we see him back, right? World Series is all through July as well. The main event starts next week. And that's after all the smaller games that we've been seeing getting played. So if that starts next week, then yeah, for sure, you're gonna be a minute. Do I know what he's doing? I have not really. I've seen Brown a couple times around here, but I haven't ever had really a chance to talk to him. He's either been in the other rooms or he's occupied when I see him, so I usually give him the good old like, oh hey Brown. He hits me with the how you doing kiddo, and then that's the end of our discussion. I want to know how he's doing, but I haven't gotten any word. It's also funny because Vegas is pretty swollen right now with a lot of people stopping in. This is a lot of cards. It's just now dawning on to me how many cards you're getting in this 3-boxer. There's a very high chance a lot of the base is going to be upside down with how I'm opening this. I'm having trouble deciphering which way is up with a lot of this. Is it common for some of the packs to be much thicker than others? Gosh, these cards look awesome, man. These cards look so good. Ray. There we go. Oh, I might have figured it out. I might have figured it out in live time here. Yep. Okay. I found the groove. It took me 3 boxes, but I found the groove. Yeah. We cooking with gas now. I just gotta remember how I put them on the table next time to avoid the confusion on my end. Looking for some big names. I've been doing some homework, trying to catch up, trying to be a little bit more updated for this year's WrestleMania. Kind of get ready, follow some of the stories, some of the drama. I know there's a lot of stuff going on right now between Rey Mysterio, not Rey Mysterio, Dominic Mysterio, and Liv Morgan. Seeing that popping up all over the Twitter. All right, let me get my preview here now that we've got all the cards on the table. Where is it? There we go. All right, best of luck, everybody. Best of luck. I gotta also familiarize myself with the list that we have here. I'll appreciate you guys' patience. All right, we're starting off with Elias on. This is a red, right? Going to Jason. This is a red. Gotta keep an eye out for the rookies. Oh, Jimmy Uso on the die cut to 24. The status die cut going to Shend. 22 out of 24 on that one. Very cool. Speaking of Dominic Mysterio. Oh yeah, these are all going to be upside down. But we know it's all base cards. Ooh, Randy Orton. That is definitely a name I became very familiar with when I was younger. Getting into WWE. Miss Elizabeth. Is that a silver? That's a silver, right? It goes with the base. Or are they all like that? Oh, they are all like that. Look at me, I'm crazy. Got stacks. Spellbound. Natalia. Dragon Lee on the rookie. Oh, is that an orange? I believe we have an orange. Oh, we got an orange of Steve Cold. Steve Cold. Stone Cold Steve Austin. I was trying to say Steve Austin while I was reading Stone Cold. 48 out of 49 on the orange. Going to Shend. I am a big fan of the way the looks like lights. Very, very cool. Stone Cold right there. At least not for the trees. Oh, we were just talking about Liv. There's Liv Morgan. Oh man, Cody Rhodes. Oh, we got a red of Johnny Gargano. Gosh, that was one handful. Wait till you see gold if you want to see cool. You got me excited. You got me excited. I love the way these cards look. I am a very big fan of the way these cards look. I understand you're saying it's not for the trees, but this is fun. Sherry Martel on the blue. 29 out of 80 on this one. Who do we got on the blue? Will this be others blue? Am I blind? Why can't I find blue? No way this is with the others base. Who's that blue going to? Dominic Mysterio reappearing again. Austin Theory. Goes to status? That was a status card? Oh, it was a status card. Thank you. Going to Shend. Oh, this is the card I was talking about, the family lineage. I think it's just very, very cool. Just think it's pretty cool. Oh man, Drew. He's a giant, man. Oh, there's a couple of rookies I definitely missed. I'll have to scan through. The Godfather to 149. To 149 on the Blues non-auto going to Shend. Very big fan of everyone they're including in this product. I wasn't expecting to see some classics. Stone Cold in the Spellbound. Whoa! Kane on the turn Century. Kane on the turn Century. Believe this is non-numbered. So it looks like it's going to be going to the base autos. Am I right? The base autos. I don't see turn of the century anywhere over there. Other base auto going to WWE Johnny. Look at you guys. All helping me. I appreciate you all so freaking much. I'm going to do a really quick scan through because I wasn't familiar with where they throw the rookie badge, and now I am. And I think it was that first handful, yep. I was good on this one, but I missed a couple over here. But I should be good going forward. There we go. Don't want to miss anyone. Okay, cool. We'll caught up. Chris Reed with the nice one. Liv making a return, as we were talking about her. Gunther. I was just there's too many cards for me to do what I was just doing there, naming them. Usually on one card, or one on card and one on sticker per box, if I remember. So we have one on card coming up. Is that what you're telling me? We got a red of Wesley. Avon the rookie. Oh, oh! I know it's nothing. It's not a numbered card, but that's a cool picture there of Asuka. Love the elite decks, like the way it looks. I said earlier, I'm just a sucker for the playing card looking cards. Whoa! Love the way these cards look so much, man. Cody Rhodes on the star status. Sky. Spellbound. Stone Cold Steve Austin. Got Sheamus. What's this back here? Miss Elizabeth on, I believe, the purple. Yep, we got 99. 39 out of 99 on the purple going to Shend. Shend is killing it. Jason with the RP to Bray. I just saw the, I watched the video where they were discussing it. Like the interview. I had to do some history and looking up. I didn't realize it was so recent. Probably not coming back. Oh man. Yeah, I had to do some research on that one. Like I said, I'm like just now getting back into all of this, so I'm trying to do my best to catch up. That's what it was called, the VHS tape. Yeah. I watched that like last night. All right. We could. I don't want to push the handful here. All right, we got a red of Braun. Maxion, why does he look so familiar? He seems very, very familiar. Was he in a movie? He looked very familiar to me. Lita on the Spellbound. Love the red color. Oh, that one's numbered. That's 76 out of 99 on the Spellbound. I didn't know that these could also be color. What would this fall under? Or under? Base non-auto? LA Knight pulling up in the custom car at last year. Powerhouse. Red non. Oh, I see right there, so that's going to Jason. Now I got to check the back of any of these if they seem a little interesting. There's Bailey. One of my buddies loves Bailey because she's from San Jose. Ooh. Blue 149 of Lola Vice. Oh yeah, a lot of these are. I'm a big fan of these cards. Sad we didn't get to open more. Oh, the Miz. I saw the Miz. Said Lola sells. Let me do some casing and sleeving real quick. Now these cards are really nice. I'm glad we have more in the store. This is something I will very, very happily open. With a big old smile. This stuff's great. Gosh, the orange Steve, or I almost said it again, Stone Cold Steve Austin in the beginning there. The die cut's pretty sick, not gonna lie. Just thinking of the statement, yeah, elite is not for the trees. Cracks me up, man. Alright, let me find a nice way to sort these. I mean, the more we open, the more familiar I will get with a way to lay these out over here. Alright, we'll finish this out. Theoretically, there should be an auto. Seth frickin' Rollins. Oh! Similar type here. Beefcake! I love his picture. It's like very Buzz Lightyear like smile. Cracks me up, man. Cracks me up. Brutus Beefcake on the base auto. Others base audio. Auto. My goodness. I can talk. The spell on card spell the name of the wrestler, right? We have an L. Is it like L, I? Now you got me confused. Don't love a double sticker auto. It's okay. We got 2 more boxes. All right, let's move on to box number 2. Yeah, they have a card for each letter. Oh, okay. I thought you meant on the card itself. They had all of it. Oh, there we go. Speaking of which. A red of Brock Lesnar. This one, or no, is it not a red? It's not a red. My bad. I thought it was a red. Okay, the inside will be red if it's red. We're learning. We're learning, everybody. We're learning. Ooh, what's that? What's behind the Miz? Quincy Elliott. Is that gold? One out of 10 on the gold of Quincy Elliott. We love gold. Who's in the gold spot? It's going to be the gold non-auto. WWE Johnny. I am in wow. I am in oh, the way the pattern moves. I was like freaking out a little bit this, and I was like, wait, it moves. Okay. You were talking up the gold. I see it now. That is crazy. It was like a kaleidoscope in there, dude. You get lost in the card. Oh, I'm in love with these. I'm in love with these. These are freaking awesome, dude. Bianca Belair. Oh, sorry. I see ink. Turn of the century. Tatanka. Tatanka on the turn of the century. It's red. This one is red. It's going to be others. Red auto to 49, I believe. Yep, 27 out of 49. I believe this is going to Golfer, if I am understanding this right. Tatanka! Also, like, yeah, I'm a big fan of these covers. Quincy Elliott making another reappearance, this time in the red. And Dominic Mysterio. And we're in focus. I was making sure we're in focus. Ooh, and aspirations of Roddy Piper. Yeah, they gotta, like, I love that they're getting all kinds of people in here. I thought it was just going to be like a recap of the last year. 36 out of 53 on the aspirations. Going to Emperez on the aspirations of 53. Roddy Piper. 36 out of 53. You see it down there in the corner. Love this picture of Drew. feel like there's still a handful of people we have not seen. Did I miss? Why do I feel like I missed one rookie? Oh, I'm just crazy. Cool. That means I am getting the hang of it. Again, appreciate you guys' patience as we experience my first time opening this product together. Here we got a status. Is it just a status? Brock Lesnar. Tori Wilson, let me get a little bit closer for you guys, and we're in focus. Let us continue. Seth frickin' Rogen. Oh, what the hell is this? Looks like a zebra. Bronson Reed. I don't even know what to call this. I don't know what to call this. Some crazy hollow work on this. What is this? It's a Razzle Dazzle? Going to Jason Battle? Razzle Dazzle. Alright, cool. I'm learning. Sami Zayn looked like Willem Dafoe there. We got a blue of Lorenzo. Channing Stacks Lorenzo. 32 out of 149 on this one. Gosh, oh, you just stare at him and get lost in them. It's ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. I believe we have another red. Did anyone confirm with me if this was someone that was in a movie or why he looks familiar to me? Gigi Dolan in the red. Rey Mysterio. One of my friends is getting very happy about seeing that card. Oh! We got a red on the Spellbound. I think we have a trend here. I think we got a stone cold case. We got a stone cold case. We got the letter N. Now, do you also spell out Stone Cold, or are you just spelling out Steve Austin? 91 out of 99 on this one. Oh, see, Jason sees me. And here we go. Wait, what's the case hit? What was the case hit? We already hit the case hit. Alexa Bliss. The Stone Cold was the case hit? Huh? Oh, the Razzle is. I love this picture of The Miz. The Miz on the red. We'll do some encasing and sleeving after this handful. Asuka, numbered to 149. I mean, that's just a color match. That's great. She's got a lot of blue on. That looks phenomenal in the blue right there in the 149. Bobby Lashley. Full throttle here. Kofi Kingston. Oh, shoot. What's behind here? Oh, my God. It's the Boogeyman. It's the freaking Boogeyman. On the turn of the century. Oh, this is... Yeah. I'm a fan of this product. The Boogeyman. That's what the... Was it the base auto other spot? The Miz. Oh, I hear all kinds of buzz around The Miz. A little bit of chrome dust on the bottom there. We're in focus, and we're back. Ricochet on the red. Rey Mysterio. Oh, yeah, we haven't seen Rhea Ripley the entire thing. And what's this? The star status of Stone Cold Steve Austin. Making a lot of appearances. Some of the card autos. Oh no, I'm realizing there is a lot that I have not seen yet. I mean, this is the first 3 boxes I've seen of this stuff. I'm very excited for us to open more. This stuff's great. Absolutely great. Oh, is this a... Sometimes there'll be blocks of like a bad batch of the cases. Okay, no. Alrighty, we'll do this in 2 handfuls. And we are in focus. Gosh, these are so reflective. Oh, what is that color? Family Lineage with Solo Sikoa and Rikishi. I thought it was, I'm not gonna lie, I thought it was black. I thought the card was black because of that border. It scared the life out of me. Such cool cards. I think Family Lineage is one of my favorites. Oh, we got The Rock. Dragon Lee. Double Roman Reigns. The spellbound Roman Reigns there. Liv making several appearances. Got a blue of Tito Santana. I just hear a lot of the Filipino Filipino friends of mine saying Tito. Got some rookie Zeze Asuka. I like her on the blue. The first case after this case came out, Esplez broke it and there's a 101. Holy crap. I mean, we should have Esplez come in here and do a break of this stuff again, just to give everyone a refresher on it. I'd love for him to come and pop one of these days. I think it would bring a lot of attention to the channel. Whoa! Andre Chase on the purple, 81 out of 99. Love how bright the card is. I like the purple. Big fan of the purple. Io Sky. Jesus. Very intense photo. Seth frickin' Rollins. AJ Styles on the red. Making sure I wasn't tripping there. Perp. Chase you? What do you mean chase you? And upside down of a full throttle. I believe this is a red full throttle. It is. 81 out of 99. With X-Pac on the full throttle. Whoa, I didn't see that. It's a textured foil. That's awesome. That's really cool. We're getting a lot of the Stone Colds. How many possible like how many possible characters are there? Or not not characters as in the letters, but like how many different people have characters? That's what I was trying to say. Okay, we got an orange. We got an orange. Where am I going with this? Candice LeRae. 23 out of 49. God, the oranges are gorgeous. I am in awe with how it looks like glittering lights. Like it reminds me of the Vegas lights. I think that's why I love it so much. Very, very pretty card. I'm a big fan of the oranges. I think the oranges is top 3 for me right now in terms of the different parallels. Triple H on the Elite deck. Oh. Dijak. Giving you the stank face. True stank face right there. No, I hope this is something we start to open more and more of. This is great, man. This is great. On the new breed. I believe this is going to the base other auto, or others base auto. Others base auto seems to just be like the spot if you want to get a lot of ink. We'll do some casing and sleeving real quick, and then we'll finish out the box. Nice one will come out the day is contract run out. Hey man, one thing I'm learning about with a lot of the wrestlers is they do so much for the people and for the fans. I feel like what they're doing already is like that's a big part of the job as an entertainer. Is it's like it's for the people, and that's reflected with so many of the wrestlers. Like a lot of respect to them. That does go to the other base auto. Every time you see me throwing one of these over my shoulder, it's because I'm doing QC, making sure you guys are getting good cases. If I ever see a case that's naughty, throw it over my shoulder. Something's happening next door. Not sure what, but it's something. All right, let's finish this out. Holy crap, really? He definitely had the card of let me get a week. He definitely had the give me a week card. He said it's for the kids, for the fans, like massive respect, man. Like also like as soon as you get like the human side of a lot of these guys, like there's so much. There's the one where Roman was talking about his health, and I was like honestly kind of heartbroken watching it. I'm like, I'm just now learning about Roman Reigns, and it was so vulnerable, that interview. Whoa, Bronson Reed to 80 on the blue. This is a status. Going to Shend. Slowly learning, everybody. Slowly learning. Got a red of the Undertaker. Oh my goodness. what a image to use for the Undertaker there. That is crazy to see. Absolutely crazy to see. Another purple of Carmelo Hayes. 13 out of 99 on this one, on the purple. What decides the color of the frame that they get? the younger Taker. Star status of Becky Lynch. Wow. The autos always catch me off guard, dude. The autos always catch me off guard. Thea Hale on the new breed. I think that spot's just killing it, man. I think other base auto is a ridiculous spot. And we're kicking it back off with the LA Knight, Rey Mysterio. Gia Lee. I'm unfamiliar with her. There she is again. So it's a good one to hit. I mean, that just means the rest of the case. You know, we'll get our non-sticker ones. Rey Mysterio. You got... Now, yeah, is this going to be Rey Mysterio or is this the R in Mysterio? Very curious. Love that picture of The Miz so much. Full throttle here of AJ Styles. Making sure we're in focus. Is this another Heritage? It is. Braun Breaker and Rick Steiner on the family lineage. I said Heritage. My bad. Oh, I saw some blue. I saw some blue. Hop. Solo. Sequoia. 43 out of 149. I love the way the squares move in the like. These patterns are awesome, 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 awesome. Red of JC Jane. Sith freaking Rollins. The WWE universe is also unfamiliar with Gia Lee. Oh wait, did someone answer when I asked what determines the... Is it from the... if they're on different networks? Nope. Immediately disproving that to myself. Alright, last handful. Best of luck, you guys. Best of luck. We got Trish Stratus on the super status, or star status. My goodness, I can read. I love these photos too. This is the one where I was saying he kind of looks like Willem Dafoe there. Whoa. Bianca Belair on the powerhouses. That's a cool insert there. Is this... There's no way that... There's only like 3 options that you can get for the Spellbounds, right? Right? Booker T. Alright, we're approaching the end. See if we have any more heat. Red of Gunther. 52 out of 53. Oh, that was the aspirations. Going to Emperez on the aspirations. Rey Mysterio, and that might be the end of the break. It appears as so. Let me go ahead and get this all sleeve encased. No rhyme or reason. I had a feeling that was the case, but I didn't want to assume. Okay. The case and sleeve, we got a recap incoming. What? I can't get over that picture of Undertaker, man. He's so young. I greatly appreciate your both the knowledge sharing and the chatting we were able to do there, Chris. Greatly appreciate it. I'm hoping we can open more of this coming up here on the Pop channel. I had a wonderful time with this. I want to get very familiar with all of this. Puts more of a fire under my butt to continue my journey in not catching up, but just becoming more familiar with WWE. Last time I was super into it was around end of middle school, beginning of high school-ish for me. And I really, really want to get back into it because it's just so fun. It's so fun. Like, I very quickly remembered why I liked it so much as a kid. Alright, let me lay this all out and we'll do the recap. I'm kind of just putting them by grouped rarity for here. Gotta watch Monday Night Raw at least every week, and then SmackDown on Friday. Monday I'm usually in here with you guys. So then, what platform is it on? Because maybe I'll just bite the bullet, get a subscription to it, and then play it on the TV in here on Monday nights. That sounds like a great time, actually. It's on Fox, USA. I'm confused. Oh, I'd be happy if they moved to Netflix. That'd make it real easy. Also, can I get an F? Like, just type the letter F. An F in chat for everyone that had to start up a new Netflix account because of the recent changes where you can't really share accounts anymore without going to the house like once a week. I'm just going to go through these. They are grouped by the rarity that I was able to see in the number. Gosh, the idea of trying to get the spellbounds while also them being numbered. That sounds crazy. This is a wonderful, wonderful product. This is great. God, I love the oranges so much. Such a cool card. Stone Cold Steve Austin. I like the die cuts too. And then of course our gold. I can't get over that. That's so cool. That is so cool. And then our ink. Thea Hale. Dijak. The Boogeyman. Beefcake. I'm sorry. I said it's like the Buzz Lightyear smile. And I can't unsee it. Kane, and then in the back, Tatanka /49. No, this stuff is great. Thank you guys all so much for that. I hope we can continue to do this stuff. So much more that we can get more boxes of it. This is great. This was 2023 Panini Donruss Elite WWE 3-box PLP number 1. Let's see what is coming next.